Hello children. So in the last video we studied about the articles a and the, okay, and I hope you have understood the chapter. So today we will do the book exercise. So lesson 19, a and the, okay. You open page number 64. So children, before doing the exercise, let's have a quick recap about this chapter. In book 1, we have learned that we use and before words that begin with the vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, and a before words that do not begin with the vowel. So as I told you that in English alphabets, there are vowels and consonants, okay. So A, E, I, O, U is known as vowels, and the rest of the alphabets, that is B, C, D, F, G, H and all, they are known as consonants. So the words that have a vowel sound, so before that we put an, okay, and the words that have a consonant sound we put a, okay. Like see here, so we say or write a book. Now see here, book is starting with consonant B, so we have written a book. A pen, pen is starting with the consonant P, so we have put the article a here. Cat, again C is a consonant, so a cat. But an army, army starting with A and A is a vowel, so we will not put A, we will put an, okay, an army. Engine, E, E is a consonant, so we will say an engine. Indian, I is a vowel, so we will say an Indian, okay. So a we put before vowel sound, words that have vowel sound, and an we put before the words that have consonant sounds, okay. And I also told you about some words that starts with vowel but have a consonant sound. For example, like if I say unicorn, so it starts with U but it has a consonant sound of Y, so we put a unicorn. And there are some examples like which starts with consonant but it has a vowel sound, like honest. If I say H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, so it starts with consonant but it is giving the pronunciation of O, right? H is silent, so we say an honest, okay. So this you will study later. So let's do the exercise here. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Remember that a sentence begins with a capital letter, okay. Why it is saying this? Because see here, blank is there, so you will not write small a. We have to begin the sentence with capital, so you will write capital A, okay. So see here, a river flowed past the castle. Now see here, a river is beginning with the consonant R, so you will write a river, not an, okay. Zara put dash book back on the shelf. Now book is beginning with B, so you will write a book. On the way we saw an ostrich. Why an ostrich? Because see, ostrich is beginning with O, okay, with a long neck and long legs. Mr. Modi picked up an umbrella from the rack. Umbrella starting with U, so it is an umbrella. Fifth one, an elephant reached out with its trunk to grab some juicy leaves from the tree. Elephant is starting with this vowel E, so we'll say an elephant. I have a slice of bread. Again, S is consonant, so a slice of bread. An egg, E is vowel, so an egg. And a banana, B is a consonant, so a banana in my lunch box. Now, seventh one, I saw an eagle. E is a vowel, so an eagle soaring high in the sky. Nana gave a scream of fright. Scream means to shout, okay. So S is a consonant, a scream of fright when she saw a snake. S is a consonant, so a snake in the bushes. The brownie met an elf. Okay, E is vowel, so an elf, and a goblin. G is also consonant, so a goblin and an elf in the garden. Elf and goblin are the characters in the fairy tales who have magical powers. Okay, so an elf and a goblin. The woodcutter carried an axe, X starting with the vowel A, so an axe on his shoulder. A giant owned the garden. G is a consonant, so a giant. He had built a high wall around it. Ayush took an orange. O is a vowel, so an orange from the fruit bowl and began to peel it. Okay. Now we'll see the use of the. As I told you that the is used when we are talking about any particular or definite person, place or thing. If you see this example, there is a book on the table. Okay, so a book means what? Any book. We are not talking about any particular book. This is about means any general book. On the table means the book is on the particular table. Okay, we are talking about any general book, so a book, and we are talking about any particular table, so the table. Okay, the book is on the table. Now here, why the book? Because now we are referring to a particular book. Okay, not just any book, but some particular book we are talking about. So we'll say the book is on the table. Okay, let's see here. Here are some more examples. Look for an empty packet. So suppose your mother has come and say just look for an empty packet. An empty packet. See, an is written here, not the. An means what? One. Okay, one empty packet. So we are not writing a empty because it is starting with vowel E. So we'll say an empty packet. And why an and not the? Because we are talking about any empty packet. Okay, there is no any particular packet we are talking about. It can be any empty packet. Now see the second sentence. Put the book in the empty packet. Now see here, it is the. Now put the book, not any book, some particular book we are talking about here. So put the book in the empty packet. Now here some a particular empty packet is being talked about. Okay, so here we will say the. So children, when we are talking about things in general, we put a or an, and when we are talking about any particular or definite person, place or thing, then we say the. Okay, now see here, Arjun is wearing a sweater. So here means a sweater means there is just in general when we talk about, we say a sweater. Okay, Arjun is wearing the sweater that I gave him on his birthday. Now here, now this sweater is means now here particular sweater is being talked about. Why? Because it is not any sweater, it is that sweater that I gave him on his birthday. So it is a particular sweater now. That's why it is used the sweater. Okay. So let's do the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So now you have to fill the exercises with a, an or the. So now you will take notice that when the things are talked about in general, then you will use a or an. And when the things are talked about in particular or definite, you will use the article the. Okay, and between a and an, you will see that if the word has a consonant sound, you will use a, and the word has vowel sound, you will use an. So let's see the examples, the sentences that are given. First one, Dhruv did all the sums in his exercise books. First of all, see children, it is written sums here. Okay, sums means what? There is no any particular there is no one sum. There are more than one sums. So a and an is no meaning to put a or an. Okay, because a and an means what? One. And here sums means many sums. So you will put the sums, okay? And also these sums are not any sums, the particular sums that are given in his exercise book. So we will write the. Shruti took out a new pencil and an eraser from her pencil box. Now see here, a new pencil. Children, even if you write the new pencil, it is correct in this case, okay? Because it can be, okay, any general in any new pencil she has taken out, huh? Then you can put a. And it can be talked about like a particular new pencil is talked about, then in that case you can use the also. So I have written a, but even if you write the, it is not wrong. Shruti took out a new pencil and an eraser. It is starting with vowel, so we will see an eraser from her pencil box. They lived on an island. I is a vowel. So an island in the sea, because some particular sea is talked about. So the sea, and in that particular sea there are many islands, okay? So we will say an island, means in general on any one island they were living. So an island in the sea. Fourth one, Mohit had an upper berth. U is a vowel. An upper berth in the train. In particular train it is talked about. So the train. His sister had a lower berth. Bunty took out the only pack of orange juice and poured some into a glass on the table. Now the only pack of orange juice. Why? Because any particular packet of orange juice is being talked about, okay? So you will say the, okay? And here a, because glass, any general glass can be used, and on the table because this orange juice is kept on a particular table, so the table. Rinky wore an orange dress. O is a vowel. An orange dress with a lace collar. You will find a new dress in a packet on the bed. Now here you will find a new dress, means because we don't know which new dress is being talked about. So a new dress in. Now here see, I have written in a packet on the bed. Even if you write in the packet on the bed, that is also correct, okay? A packet means, okay, there's generally a packet is lying on the bed, so a packet. And if I say in the packet, so not talking about any particular, in general we are talking about a particular packet which is lying on the bed. So that is also correct, okay? So a and the both are correct. Manish peeped into the room to see who was there. So any particular room is being talked about, so the room. We are going to visit the aunt who lives in Mumbai. So which aunt? Who lives in Mumbai. So we are talking about any particular aunt. So the aunt. And the uncle who lives in Pune. So particular uncle means who lives in Pune. So the uncle, okay? At the farm. So any particular farm is being talked about. At the farm, Tom had milk from a cow and an egg is vowel. So an egg freshly laid by a hen. Happy with his meal, he went out to look at the vegetable patch. So vegetable patch means the area where vegetables are grown. So the particular vegetable patch is being talked. So the vegetable patch. 11th. Mr. Modi was an angry, A is there, an angry man when he saw that the garden has been trampled on. Trample means, children, to destroy something by walking on it. So Mr. Modi was an angry man when he saw that the garden, because he is talking about his own garden, particular garden. So the garden. And last one, Naman put some socks and a toothbrush, T is a consonant, a toothbrush in the suitcase which was on a table near the door. So suitcase, why the suitcase? Because Naman is talking about his own suitcase, not any suitcase, but one particular suitcase. So the suitcase which was on a table near the door, not any door, but some particular door, okay? So Naman put some socks and a toothbrush in the suitcase which was on the table near the door. So children, I hope you have understood how to use a and the. So I want you all to complete your exercise book. Thank you.